There's a lot of people. I've seen more, definitely. But there's a lot. This is where you come if you like wilderness with company.
Yeah.
I've seen like 30 people up here on top, you know.
Really?
Like 3 groups, 3 families, maybe, you know.
So you live here?
I live close, Lawton.
So you always come to this?
Yeah, I do now. Yeah.
Okay.
Not really.
So
No, I still work part-time. I work part-time.
Enjoy the travel, enjoy the
Yeah.
nature.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Today is so beautiful today.
Yeah, it's beautiful. After a few days, maybe this weekend will be.
There's so many places out here that are very unique. Very unique, like the Narrows is a very interesting place. And the 40-foot hole is very interesting. If you go way out west to Sharon's Garden, that's very interesting. So there's lots of...
Is in this refugee?
Is what?
Is in this refugee?
Yeah, it's all on the... All of these places I'm talking about are on the refuge. Yeah, here on the refuge, yeah. Yeah.
那个黑点应该是
I think that's Eagle Mountain over there. I think that's the... Wait a second. It is west of us. I don't have it all memorized, though. Exactly which... Eagle Mountain?